So I'm kind of new to tractor repair, and I bought this tractor this summer. I've pretty much been running it without gauges, without worrying about it. Now it's winter, it's getting cold, and I'm got to worrying about the antifreeze. And then I looked at the oil, and I decided I better drain the oil because it's got a lot of water in it. And I was going to show you how bad it is. This is oil. This oil is out of the hydraulic, out of the rear hydraulic. Ooh, that's ugly. Oop, I need a bigger funnel, really. Or a slower pour, maybe. Boy, that's ugly. And the tranny, if possible. The tranny's even worse. It's just a little thick, it seems like. Not even pour. Actually, this tranny, I might not need. Actually, if I use this, I won't need the funnel. That's what I'll do. Look at that. Oh gosh, look how white that is. Yeah, I'll just take that funnel. I don't need the funnel with this, because these things have pretty good sized. And now I gotta get rid of this stuff too. That's another thing I'm worried about. When you I changed the oil in the car, but it's not as much quantity as this is. I'm gonna have 10 gallons.